I have to bring up a very important point, which is sekarang, I think 90% of ladies kerja.
Yeah.
And kerja dorang is
Betul.
equally as demanding as
Correct.
suami dorang punya
Yes,
pekerjaan.
correct.
Macam kita. Adakah kerja I tak penting? Kerja I pun penting. I kasih coaching juga. I kasih talk juga. I mentoring juga. I buat consultation.
Tia dah keluar.
So, adakah I tak perlu preparation time for my kerja? I perlu kan? So, in
Agree.
so in view of all this, bukan saja that let's say is I need to be out for 4 to 5 hours, but a few hours prior to that I'm doing a lot of prep work, or even the night before I'm doing a lot of prep work. And then when I come back, there's immediate work because I don't want to overlook it, right? I don't want to put it nanti besok. So there's submission, there's appeals, there's valuation, everything. So sometimes the whole stretch of that working time can be easily like 10 hours. I am working non-stop. So by the time I habis, I am mentally and physically like, wow, penatnya. Maybe 1 hour before I dah ke buluh. So I like I will nudge my husband lah, say lapar, kita order lah So just a quick one, order. By the time makanan sampai, sama-sama clean up, then dah boleh solat and call it a day. So that's what I think lah. That's the limitation on cooking. As much as we wish to menang hati suami lah, maybe do something sweet for them, but that's the limitation to cooking.